beautiful folks, this is again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back. Well guys, today I'm gonna give you cinematic night mobile Lightroom preset, camera preset as well as the desktop Lightroom preset just for free. So all you're gonna do is first of all just download this the preset or the rare file of cinematic night Lightroom preset from ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com rare file, also the camera preset, and here is the mobile Lightroom preset. Now right, as you can see, mobile Lightroom preset contains a .dng. Right, when you will install that, you will find it in the Lightroom PC, right? That is a desktop Lightroom, right? Now we're gonna apply the preset to the photo and let's see how it actually looks. So let's select this photo, go to the develop tab, and here is I have already installed this, so you can see by applying that FP cinematic night. FP stands for filter preset and AVC stands for ashvircreations. When you will click on that preset, and you can see the difference, guys. A huge difference can be seen in the photo and literally looking so perfect and amazing. Let's try it on some other photo. Let's try on this. Click on this button and you are done. As you can see, the total magic happens just by clicking on the single preset or the click of the preset. Let's try it on this. Click on the preset and you are done. As you can see, guys, this one is really a dope preset. If you want to edit your bookalicious photos or kind of your night portraits, then you can totally use this preset and stand out from the crowd. Let's try on this. As you can see, it is totally making it a kind of night vibe to the photo, right? Let's apply on this. So as you can see, this one is literally so perfect. So if you want to install the preset to your desktop Lightroom, so what you're gonna do is just right click on it and select show in Explorer. And you just have to paste that. First of all you need to do is just extract both the files or both the rare files. As you can see, here is the Lightroom preset, that is desktop, and .lr template is the extension for your desktop Lightroom, right? All you're gonna do is just copy and just paste over here. I have already pasted, right? If you want to find this folder, then just go to the C drive, select the Adobe and Lightroom, roaming app data folder, and over here. Now we're gonna install the camera preset in our Photoshop. So just right click on it and select the copy and just paste, go to the camera, go to the settings, and just paste that preset over here. As you can see, I have already pasted that preset, so let me just replace it. So you can just find it on Photoshop. Let's just restart your Photoshop and we're gonna see how it actually would be looking if you apply it to these photos, right? So let's just open up some of the example photos. Let's try it on this photograph, or let's take this photo. Let's try this, and also this photo. Just drag and drop to our Photoshop. And also, guys, if you already know how to install the preset or the DNG preset in your mobile Lightroom, so I don't have to understand. You can just download it and use them in your photos. Let's try it on this. Go to the filter, select the camera filter, and just go to the last tab, that is preset tab, right? And from here you're gonna find FP night. Where is that? FP cinematic night, right? So the name of the preset was FP cinematic night AVC. As you can see, it is looking kind of nightish look, and with the kind of cinematic vibes it is giving. Just hit OK and you are done. Let's try on this. So you can see the difference, guys. Let's try it on this photo. Wow, guys, this one is really looking so dope. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this preset. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more preset and videos like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed yet, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets which we generally upload every day. And if you still not visit our website, then just go and visit website, that's www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can just download all the presets just for free. And also, guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. And also, guys, if you haven't enrolled our course, then just go and enroll our complete Photoshop as well as Lightroom course at a very affordable price. I'll just put that link in the description. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, guys, be creative and be awesome.